Here's a noon update video for December 16th, 2011. In this video, I'm going to explain why the past month or the past 6 weeks I've been kind of a no-show. It's because I've been holding on to this position for a long time, this TNA, and it's a tripled ETF. And basically, when I bought it, it dropped like 7 points on me, and then it came back and then dropped 15 points on me. 30%. It dropped 30% on me. And as you can see on the Dow chart, I basically bought it when Dow was around 12,180, and then it dropped all the way down to 11,200 in the Dow, and TNA was down to 33. And then it came raging back, and I was like, yay! And I was like, that's okay. I can hold on. And then it dropped again, down to 39. I was like, okay, I'm out of this thing. But it's been so sideways in the past, 6 months, actually. It's been so sideways. Actually, the past year, it's been so sideways. And even though I'm down, I bought TNA at 49.01 and ended up selling it at an average price of 44.01 or 44.04 for a loss of about $19,000, $19,880. But in the past year, I believe I'm up about 100. I was up 110% before that trade, so I'm up 100%. I think. I mean, I'll have to recalculate everything, but I'm pretty sure I'm up about 100% this year. So basically, I've been on the site sporadically posting updates because I've just been so angry. Because I mean, you have a third wave breakout setting up, and then boom, we drop. And I was like, right after the third wave setup, we failed, and then you got another third wave setup, and then we failed again. And the Nasdaq is acting really bad right now. And I'm looking at the Nasdaq. This has been such a vicious market, just up and down, and Nasdaq's starting to look pretty bad right now because if Nasdaq takes that 2440 to the downside, that would set up a downward C or 3. This could be A, this could be B, and then we could have C wave, a really nasty C wave. I might even test 2300. Just based on the action in the past 2 weeks. I'm worried about this being A, B, double top B, then downward C, like in the SPX. That's what I'm worried about right now. I'm so happy I'm out of this thing. Because I was buying a higher high in an attempt at a third wave breakout. Didn't unfold, and I've been eating it for the past 6 months, and I didn't sell it. I didn't sell it at 33. Thank God. I sold it at a 10% loss, which is acceptable to me. I'm willing to accept that loss at 10%, other than 30%, which was at the lows in the past couple months. But it's been such a vicious market, and I'm worried that this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and then we're going down to C wave. And a break of 1160 to the downside would not help at all. We have to break 1280, 1265 in the coming weeks, or we can set up for a downward C or 3. I mean, if you look at the chart from going to, I think it's 1939 to 1942, we have the same formation. You got an A wave, then a double top B, and then a downward C. So this could be a B wave. This rally off the lows, which is I'm worried about right now, is that this is a B wave before a C wave. So you look at the Dow. Yeah, this could be A wave, double top B, and then downward C. I mean, the Dow doesn't look that bad yet. But Nasdaq is looking pretty bad right now, and Nasdaq is leading the way down, and so Dow needs to hold 11,220 approximately, or else we might drop in a downward C into the end of the year, or into the middle of next year. This could be an A wave, this is a B wave, and then a C wave. I'm just placing a warning out there that this is a possible scenario right now. And if we don't break out above 12,275 in the coming weeks, it could be set for a bad move. So I'm out. I'm finally out of this position. So you've been wondering what's been going on. I've been throwing things. I've been screaming, shouting at the market. I didn't want anybody to hear my audio broadcast because I was just so angry. Because the market is unbelievably sideways. You guys have to understand, this market is the toughest market I've ever seen. Ever. I've never seen anything like this, but I'm doing pretty well this year. I mean, my trading has been really, really good. Other than, well, this last loss was a 10% loss. It isn't that bad considering how up I am, how much I've made this year. So, but I could have lost a large chunk of it if I had sold at 33 at TNA. But I didn't sell at 33. I held and held and held and held, and finally I'm free from that position. I can trade freely again. So from now on is buy the dips, trade big tech, no more triple ETFs from. I'm not gonna do triple ETFs for a while because they drop 3 times the amount. You know that, and people know that. Everybody knows that. when you're down 1% in the S&P, you're down 3% in the TNA. You're down 3% in the S&P, you're down 9% in the TNA. So I'm not going to trade ETFs, triple ETFs for a while. I'm going to trade big tech. But for now, I'm just kind of worried about the market right now because it's not the Dow that I'm worried about. It's more like the NASDAQ because this NASDAQ looks like it's breaking down. And we really need to take out 2,700. I mean, this could be ABC, and then we take out 2,750, we'd be fine. We'd be fine if we take out 2,750 in the coming weeks. But if we don't, we take out 2,440, that would be really bad. I'm talking ABC. So just be on your toes because this could be one of those. It could be volatile like this for a long time. I'm talking at least a year. So, but I was trading really well during August, September, during the most volatile period. So I was just buying dips and then buying dips over and over again. I did pretty well with that. So if it goes sideways, that's fine because I'll be going back to my old technique anyway. So anyway, if you've been wondering what's been going on in the past 6 to 8 weeks, is because I've been holding on to a bad trade, and I just didn't want to exert my emotions on everybody because I don't want to be like, God damn it, fuck, God damn it. Like every day I was mad at this market. And now that I'm free from it, okay, I'm finally free from it, guys. So I'm never going to trade I don't think I'm ever going to trade triple ETF ever again. Probably just stick with the big techs and this short, long, and I might do it occasionally, but not as much as I used to. That's a wrap.